Welcome to Raisins.live, your all-in-one platform for experimental data analysis. To get started, click the Analysis of Experiment tab and choose RM ANOVA 2A. Tap Get Started. To reach the login page, then enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, go to the Analysis tab, click Browse to upload your data file. After uploading the file, you need to select the treatment column. Next, select the day or time column. Next comes the block or replication column, and then select the variables. If any of the observation needed transformation, click for transformation. Click Run Analysis. To generate your results, you can download the output in Word, PDF, or HTML formats. Detailed ANOVA tables and pairwise comparison for individual characters is available in Individual ANOVA tab. For presentation-ready visuals, head to the Basic Plots tab to create box plots, violin plots, mean value plots, connected line plots, and bar graphs. All plots are fully customizable. You can customize them according to your needs. If you want more power, the Advanced Plot tab gives you access to insightful, customizable visualizations. In the AI Interpretation tab, Raisins Assistant provides clear and insightful summaries of your data. And if you have 3 or more set of observations, use the Multivariate tab to perform PCA with downloadable results. If you have any doubts, click FAQs. Get started with Raisins.live and make your data speak.